Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Welcome back in the chemistry lecture of 11th science. Student, as you know very well, we are studying chapter 15, that is hydrocarbon. And we are at the topic of the preparation of alkyne. Last time we have seen the reaction, but that was not complete. So let's go ahead for the preparation of alkyne, as we have industrial method and the laboratory method. So we have two methods for the preparation of the alkyne. That is, the first one is industrial method. In industrial method we have two methods, that is, ethyne is industrially prepared by the controlled high temperature reaction. Is very important reaction. Controlled high temperature method. The hydrocarbon is burned that for the preparation of ethyne, that is partial oxidation of methane. Partial oxidation of methane. Actually, oxidation of hydrocarbon gives you carbon dioxide and water, but partial oxidation gives you ethyne, that is acetylene, if with respect to methane. Partial oxidation of methane, that is also said to be as a controlled high temperature reaction. Controlled high temperature partial oxidation of methane. Controlled high temperature partial oxidation of methane. See the reaction carefully. Methane CH4 is heated at very high temperature 1773 Kelvin. It converts into acetylene, carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas. Remember the temperature 1773 Kelvin. The compound so form as said to be as an acetylene. IUPAC name is ethyne, common name is acetylene. Carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas is given out. As complete combustion of methane gives you carbon dioxide and water, but incomplete combustion gives you acetylene, carbon dioxide and H2 gas. As the reaction is balanced over here, hydrogen is 4, 2 and 2, 4, carbon 2, but carbon is 3 over here. That is why we have to balance, and some of the balancing you have to remember by heart. So here you have to remember in the way, that is 62. Only some reaction you have to by heart. So 6 carbon has been used over here. So 2 is over here. So both multiply by 2, 2 and 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 6. 6 carbon and 6 carbon methane over here. Oxygen 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Hydrogen 6 4s are 24. Out of which 2 2s are 4 is over here. 20 hydrogen is remaining. So 10 2s are 20. This is balance. Second method is from calcium carbide. This we have seen in the PPT. Calcium carbide. The structure of calcium carbide can be written in this way. Ca, the valency of carbon is 2, calcium is 2, and the valency of carbon is 4. C triple bond C. C triple bond C, and that is carbon. Calcium. Here we will do the hydrolysis of calcium carbide. The formula is CaC2. The valency of calcium is 2. Hydrolysis reaction we will be doing it. In this way we can write the water molecule in the smart way, so that the elimination of calcium hydroxide will take place. Addition of 2 water molecule and acetylene will is obtained. See in this way. And calcium hydroxide is formed. Acetylene, or we can say ethyne, IUPAC name, plus calcium hydroxide is given out. Now we will see the lab method of preparation of acetylene. By the dehydrohalogenation of vicinal dihalide. Vicinal dihalide means halogen attached to different carbon, that is Weggray carbon. Last time I have said vicinal means different. So by the dehydrohalogenation of vicinal dihalide and is also prepared from the terminal alkyne. Also prepared from the terminal alkyne. From the terminal alkyne we will be obtaining we can obtain the higher alkynes, means more carbon in the product. Higher alkynes are obtained by the reacting the metal acetylide. Let's see the reaction, very important. Here two cases we will see. From the terminal alkyne and from the vicinal. And from terminal alkyne. From alkyne we will be preparing alkyne. From triple bond we will prepare triple bond, but we will prepare the product of the higher number of carbon atom. From lower number of carbon atom we will prepare from the higher number of carbon atom product with the help of metal, that is lithium. Let's see. First we will see dehydrohalogenation. Directly we will take an example. The name of this compound is 1212 dibromo ethane. Initially first it is treated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Alcoholic potassium hydroxide is used for the elimination of the beta hydrogen and alpha hydrogen. So this alpha hydrogen functional group attached to a carbon atom is said to be as an alpha, and next to alpha is beta. So beta hydrogen is eliminated, it is also said to be as an beta elimination reaction whenever you add alcoholic potassium hydroxide. So if suppose the halogen atom is removing from this alpha position, so hydrogen will remove from here. If you remove halogen from here, so hydrogen will remove from the beta hydrogen. So any one of the case you can choose. If the hydrogen is removed from here and the halogen here, so what will happen? There is an unsaturation will be created. The product is form is said to be as an vinyl bromide plus KBr plus H2. This is the one step is completed. In the second step we will add sodamide. In sodamide what will happen? Sodium bromide and beta hydrogen is removed to form as an ammonia gas. Step 2, let's see. Vinyl bromide I can say, or bromoethene. React with sodamide, NaNH2, it is sodamide. What will happen? The halogen is removed from here and the beta hydrogen is removed, form ammonia. What will happen? The product acetylene is obtained. Ammonia gas is given out. Acetylene is prepared. So this is the method of the preparation of acetylene by dehydrohalogenation. Even we can go ahead with the more number of substituted vicinal dihalide or greater vicinal dihalide. In the same way you can go ahead. Next example we will see. We can see the other example, dehydrohalogenation of the 1,2-dichloropropane. One two propane. Same way we have to go ahead to do the reaction. Potassium hydroxide, alcoholic in nature, we have to take, and there will be beta elimination will take place. First the inner halogen will remove, which contain less number of hydrogen atom. So same way we have to remove the halogen atom which contain less number of hydrogen atom to the carbon which contain less number of hydrogen atom first. Then what will happen? Halogen and beta hydrogen will remove. Here unsaturation will form. 1, 2, 3, 4 valence is complete. This compound is 1-chloropropene. Now we have to treat with sodamide, NaNH2. Product will form as again halogen and beta hydrogen will remove. Plus NaCl plus ammonia. Methyl acetylene, common name, methyl acetylene. Is obtained. Or we can say propyne, IUPAC name. Now we will prepare from the alkyne to alkyne, triple bond to triple bond. Let's see how. Initially we have to take the terminal alkyne and we will treat with lithium amide. So we'll see directly with an example how we can go ahead to form a higher amine, higher alkynes. From the terminal, very important and very different reaction it is. From terminal alkyne gives you higher alkyne. It is new in the new syllabus textbook. Name this compound CH triple bond CH is ethyne. When we treat it with lithium amide, same as a soda amide, lithium amide, LiNH2, what will happen? Hydrogen will remove as an ammonia gas and lithium will be getting attached over here because lithium is electropositive in nature and hydrogen is also electropositive in nature. So we will get lithium ethyl nyl lithium. It is already ethyne and alkyl is formed, so it is ethynyl lithium. The name will be YNE. E is replaced by YL because one hydrogen is removed, YL, and it is lithium, ethynyl lithium. Ethyne is an IUPAC name, so NE in place of EYL we have written because one hydrogen is less, ethynyl lithium. Now ethynyl lithium is treated with alkyl halide. Ethyl bromide we are treating with ethyl bromide. Lithium bromide will remove and this alkyl group will be getting attached over here. The product obtained so as CH2CH3 plus LiBr. So higher alkyne is formed, that is bu 1, 2, 3, 4, but 1-ine. So in this way we can prepare. Another example also we can take, one more example. Propyne. Again, what will happen? Here lithium hydrogen will be getting attached with the NH2 formation of ammonia. So I can write over here as minus NH3. Now this will be prop YNE is replaced by YL, propynyl lithium. I can substitute over here propyne 1yl 1 lithium. That is triple bond is also at one position and the yl is also at one position. If you won't write number, then also will do. CH3 CH2Br. Again, what will happen? Minus lithium bromide will remove and the product is obtained so as CH3 C triple bond C, and this group will be, you can even write in the hanging process also. So 1 2 3 4 5. The name of the 5 carbon alkyne is pent 2-ine, and lithium bromide is removed. In this way we can form higher alkyne. So we can obtain the higher alkyne. So next time we will see the reaction part of the alkyne triple bond. We have about 5 reaction and uses. 5 reaction, very important reactions. After then we have to go ahead with the last topic of the hydrocarbon, that is aromatic hydrocarbon. Thank you.